So we actually never lived together before we got married. This was the first place that we learned how to live together. What was the highlight?
Making coffee for you every morning.
Oh yeah. So you guys know I love coffee, and one of the first things I got when we moved in was this coffee bell. So when I wake up every morning, I'm like, and then Thomas will go to the kitchen.
And then
the smell of coffee, and then he does that, and then I wake up from slumber. Let's go into my corner for the last time. Ooh, this corner, this iconic corner. We have filmed many Beauty Within videos, and what you might not know is I have to time it specifically because to give you guys that aesthetic sunlit look, I have to wait between the hours of 1:30 and 3:30. That sun is way too intense. Let's move over here. It might look easy, but it's actually not, and it takes like 2 hours to film. I feel like we just grew a lot in this place. So today's actually Saturday. The movers are coming tomorrow morning, and it's the 3rd day that we've been packing everything. So let me bring you back to when I was doing my bathroom clean out. This is the room where I spend about 85% of my life. Help.
you live a good life, babe.
That's right, you work harder. So these boxes are specifically for coats. Super helpful. They're called banker cloak boxes or something. Wardrobe boxes. So we just got changed so we don't smell.
And we took a nap on this.
And we took a nap on this. And we haven't slept for a solid 2 days. Hello. It's a little bit down. Chaos. So it's been a week since we moved in. That was the weekend ago. And there's not one crevice in this place that isn't a mess, and it's starting to get to my psyche. It's starting to stress me out really bad. So I wanted to bring you guys along with me to kind of organize and set up my new kind of skincare area, and hopefully share some of my like organizational tips for the bathroom. I bought a bunch of materials, so we'll just do that. So these 4 boxes are skincare that I want to kind of organize and put into my little cubby again. And I want to put that over here because I feel like it's away from the sunlight, because you don't want your skincare to be near a window. Otherwise things will go bad easy. So step 1 into organizing for me is to find a place that you're going to store everything. So I have this cabinet, but this could also be containers, boxes, or it can be a cart and just like a zone to put it. I'm actually gonna mark these on the floor. So I did 6 of these because we have 6 your face. Now, step 2, what I'm gonna do is open everything out of these boxes and put them all out so I can categorize them, see everything, and decide if I still want them, and then put them into their place. So, just a reminder, these will be yours. There's a mixture of skincare, hair care. I'm gonna give it away so you guys can enjoy some of my favorite things as well. Make sure you check the description. There'll be a Google form link where you can enter. Literally almost died from dehydration. Unpacking is a lot of work. I also just realized how crinkled my shirt is. That's the look. I also want to show you this tip that I have if you're looking at buying furniture and you don't know if it's going to fit your space. This is what I've been doing for all the things that I need. What you want to do is just get tape and mark out the measurements in that space, and then you can kind of visualize it. So this was like 2 different sizes of dining tables and chairs, and then we were gonna go with this one, but I ended up going with this one because we realized after marking it out that we had more space. And then same with this couch and this console table that we need, and also this other couch here, which does not look like it's going to be very chill anytime soon, so that, yeah, you can kind of see it for yourself. It's okay. We'll get there. So I think this whole like organization and decoration phase is actually going to take at least a couple of weeks. Okay, I'm gonna try do all the skincare within a week, but I think this is also part of my growth phase in this new era where it's about patience and taking things slow, because I'm kind of like the type who just wants things done like yesterday. And I heard this quote is called, "It takes time to take time." Just let that sink in a little bit. So I think that's very applicable to where I am right now. Like even today, I wanted to finish this organizational room situation, my skincare, hair care, all of that. But I'm actually meeting the Skin 104 team. That's in like an hour. So we'll just do what we can today and we'll pick up and continue tomorrow. But let's keep going. Just came back from meeting the Skin 104 team and voila! They gave me a facial and oh my god, it was so nice. Got these slide out drawers to put under the cabinets to hopefully try to organize because everything is everywhere. So we're gonna do the same thing. I'm just going to take everything out, put this together, and then put it all back in with the things that I actually know and want. In the bathroom is obviously the things that I'm going to be using every day or I want to try next. So I'm going to put all those ones in here. And to celebrate, we got two Smiskis to open. I thought it was very appropriate, moving and sleep. Okay, one for you, one for me. I'm wishing for this 3-box moving one because it's literally what we've been doing all day. It was the one I wanted! It's got a little mug, it's a nightcap. This is me and Thomas.
This one's me. This one's here.
Hello. So it's been a couple of days. I had to take some rest, but we're gonna continue and I'm gonna start putting everything away. So this is the fun part because you can really organize it to however you want it to look, depending on brand or depending on the skincare step. So let me show you some essential kind of like packing things that really help me organize everything. First is these crates. These are really great because they come in all different shapes and sizes and they just hold each of the skincare items really well. And they also stack on top of each other, so they're really handy. And I bought this label maker that I'm gonna stick these little labels onto the door of that cubby. So just so I know exactly what's inside it and you can customize it. Okay, so now that the insides are organized, now I'm gonna work on some cute decorations on the top. So that is the skincare corner done. Yay!